In this video, I'll be reviewing MIVI DuoPods K7. It is the latest earphone from MIVI. On the backside of the box, we can see its features such as AI, ENC noise cancellation, IPX4 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.3, and touch control. Let's start unboxing. Opening up the box, you will find user manual, warranty card, few earbuds, and a Type-C charging cable. Let's move to build quality. MIVI DuoPods K7 comes in this plastic round box. It has a really nice metallic black color. It also comes in another 4 color variants. The case is still made with plastic, but it uses magnets to close the case, and the earphones are also kept in place by magnets. You have an LED indicator for battery level, and there is a Type-C port on the back side of the case. The opening and closing mechanism is firm, and there is a satisfying sound while closing the case. Looking at the earphone, it has a good design and it has a dual tone colored palette. The blue part of the earphone feels metallic to touch. The touch control is present on the top of the ear tips. 1 tap pauses the music, long tap lowers the volume, 3 tap will enable gaming or music mode. The earphone has a clear and powerful bass that enhances the sound experience. It is ideal for watching movies and YouTube videos as it delivers excellent audio performance. The earphone is reasonably priced at 1200 rupees considering it is high quality. Let's take a look at its mic. It also comes with dual mic with ENC technology, which provides clear and noise-free audio calls. Here's a sample of the mic. Hey guys, this is the mic test of MIVI DuoPods K7. This is without any fan or any external noise, so let me know how it sounds. I will turn off the fan and let's see how it performs under the fan noise. Right now I'm standing right below the fan and it's going at full speed. Let me know how well you can hear my voice under this full fan speed. Noise reduction works well, but you have to speak louder so the caller will be able to hear you well. Overall, it is a good quality mic for video and audio calls. Coming to battery life, on a single charge, the earphone lasts 5 hours and the case can charge the earphone for 8 to 9 times. It also supports fast charging. The earphone can fully charge in less than 60 minutes and the case can fully charge in 90 minutes. In conclusion, you can check out MIVI DuoPods K7 if you're looking for a good TWS with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 under 1500 rupees. It has good mic, audio quality is good, and the case is built really well. For this price, I would recommend it. You can buy this earphone from flipkart.com. For more reviews like these, click on subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.